Pula-pula ko ngayon. Kawayan sa sobrang lamig, guys. Sobrang pula. Parang nasunog sa lamig. Good morning, mga kabeshi! Today is Saturday here in Michigan, USA. And it's currently 9:17 in the morning, Feb 22nd. And I'm so excited to film this video. It's my first time doing this thing. So by the way, I'm heading to my best friend's house to pick her up and pick another friend of us. And we're doing a carpooling. I'm the driver. Don't worry, everybody will be safe. We're heading to Double JJ Resort in Rothbury, Michigan to do some snow tubing. Yeah! Finally, oh my god, never done snow tubing for more than 5 years of staying here in Michigan. So excited. So mga kabeshi, come with us and enjoy snow tubing as much as we do for sure. We're going to enjoy this. And for now, I'm gonna be driving for more than 30 minutes left. I'll update you guys. Yeah. So mga kabeshi, nandito na ako sa bahay nila. So let's get in. Like what I said, guys, gear up na ako. Taba. Taba ching-ching na ako. Hello! For everybody to find out. Hi, Ate Jo! Guys, meron silang Filipino fudgy board, egg cracklets, Bear Brand, cheese whiz. Oh, my tipas. Special hopia yema. Butter toast. Oh, what is that? Fried rice. Oh, look at that. Hi mga kabeshi, so nandito kami sa parking lot na Double JJ Resort. We're gearing up now. It's so cold and windy. Oh, ito ang ating outfit for today's video. Yeah, it's black team for today. And ating mga friendship, there are gearing up themselves now. Hi Vil, say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Then Ate Del. So come together.
Hi.
We're so excited, mga Teletubbies. So see you guys inside. Let's go. mga bebe. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So we need to wear our band. Hi, mga vloggers. Okay guys. May two kinds pala ng two. Yung hard daw mabilis, yung soft daw ang mabagal. Tapos lahat kami hard ang kinuha, tapos scared na yung dalawa. Scared na yung dalawa.
Uy, baka pwede natin palitan to.
Mga kabesh, nakapili na kami. Nakapili na kami ng kulay ng tube. Kailangan talaga iba-iba. Sa kay Ate Del yellow, sa akin blue, tapos kay Bill red. So Power Rangers talaga kami. Hello guys, this is how it looks like here. So it's gonna be like that. And then from here to down there. Yeah. So hello mga kabeshi, so from there nakababa kami here. So ang saya. So babalik ulit kami. So may 3 hours kami. Oh, here na tayo. Say guys, say hi. Say hi. Mga Power Rangers. Ang saya, babalik pa kami sa taas. So let's go. Guys, paakyat na kami. Say hi, Bill! Parang mali yung pwesto ko. Hello, Bill! Say hi! Ate Del, say hi! So, papunta kami doon guys sa taas. Oh, excited pa naman. Oh my God. Ah.
Maury and Laura. Look.
It's me! My friends. So yeah, worth $14. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again next year. So you can see on my face, it's so red now. Ay mga kaber. So guys, nalobat yung cellphone ko. Hindi ko na-anticipate na malolobat pala siya. Kasi puro videos kami. So nandito kami sa loob ng bistro.
Ang baby hair ko daw.
Ang ganda nung ng bistro nila. Look at that guy. Ang ganda. Very aesthetic. It gives cabin vibe. Tapos yan guys, yan kami galing kanina. Tapos nag-slide kami.
Mag-download ko WhatsApp.
Punta dyan.
Number lang ko kuan.
Number lang tayo. Yeah, number lang.
Yan guys. So guys, dahil nang hiram ako ng cellphone, isisend yan sa akin to. Ang pula-pula ko ngayon. Kawayan sa sobrang lamig guys. Sobrang pula. Parang nasunog sa lamig. Now we're having hot chocolate. And then we ordered some food to eat for our lunch. Or brunch kasi we didn't have breakfast.
Messenger ni siya, guys.
Yes, it's a messenger.
Yan po. Bago po talaga dasalan yung pagkain, magpipicture or video muna.
Behind the scenes. Oh my God. This is so, I can't finish the whole thing, guys. I'm sorry.
Anything else right now?
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi mga kabesh! So welcome back. So na-charge ko na yung cellphone ko. So back to taking videos na ako. So we're here in Holland now. Pabalik na kami sa bahay ni Ate Del. Pero magpagas lang ako and then mag-stop by kami sa Kung Fu Tea. So we had so much fun. So 3 of us, it's our first time to do snow tubing. Really fun for us. We're so happy. And we had our lunch over there too, because they do have a bistro, kind of like a restaurant that you can have your food and drinks. Today is a good day for us. It's our way of distressing ourselves from a busy life here in Michigan. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell also, so you get